Twitch, for those of you who don't know, it's a live stream, very popular live streaming app. It's been around for, how long has it been around for?
Twitch actually started over 10 years ago. And it actually started as our founder's name is Justin Kahn, and it started as Justin TV, where dude was just streaming his life, like his mundane everyday life, for a really long time.
Yeah.
And then somehow gamers sort of like got wind of the platform and really sort of took it over. And then it eventually became Twitch sort of as we know it today, where the roots of it really are very much in the gaming and esports space.
That's right. So I think, most people know Twitch as the app where you can watch people play video games in real time and comment and tip them and even like subscribe to them for a few bucks a month or something like that. I think don't you have a partnership with Amazon now? Amazon.
Yeah, so Twitch is actually owned by Amazon. Amazon is the parent company.
Gotcha.
And so if you do link your Amazon Prime account with your Twitch account, you get like special offerings, you get free subscriptions. So
Cool.
yeah, there's definitely a relationship there.
Interesting. And there are, creators that are making money on Twitch, and some of them are making like a lot of money, I know, from like subscriptions and the tips and all of that stuff. Are musicians starting to use Twitch? Are there musicians on Twitch? Are people like actually playing shows and that kind of stuff on Twitch?
Absolutely. So I think Twitch has definitely had a reputation of being like a gaming platform, but in reality, it really is a live streaming platform. And there are so many different kinds of people, whether they're musicians or they're chefs or they're dance instructors, who are making full-time living streaming on Twitch, right? So there's so many different types of people on there. I can say for the music category, we've seen maybe about 500% growth in the last 6 weeks. So there's definitely been a huge amount of new people getting up and streaming, but also a huge amount of viewers who are coming and checking out live content on Twitch kind of for the first time. So it's actually a really exciting space right now. There's definitely a very large community of sort of like Twitch native artists who kind of like built their careers on the platform and have been using it for many years. Yeah. And it's interesting to see sort of them actually sharing their chops and their best practices with like the more established artists that are coming from off platform and like really learning from them. So cool. It's actually a really cool time right now to sort of be on Twitch and watching what's happening there.
That's awesome. That's amazing. And I've been like trying to explore all the various live streaming possibilities out there. What I like about Twitch over kind of a Facebook or an Instagram is that engagement and the tipping and kind of it's gamified, the whole platform is, and the interactiveness between everybody in the chat box. And it's, it feels like I'm playing a video game when I'm like watching a stream of something. It's kind of cool.